Kemp signed sweeping tort reform bills into law today.
Overhauling Georgia's civil litigation system was a top priority for the governor this past legislative session. Fox 5's Deidre Dukes is live at the state capitol, where the governor held a bill signing ceremony today. Deidre?
Yeah, the governor is signing, Tom, two major pieces of legislation into law today. He did make it clear in January, as the legislative session got underway, that he wanted some sort of tort reform legislation passed during the regular session. He did threaten that if that didn't happen, that he would hold a special session later in the year. Of course, lawmakers did manage to pass that reform during the regular session, and those bills were again signed into law today. Now, the new laws overhaul Georgia's civil litigation system, and the governor says will increase transparency and fairness while leveling the playing field in court. Now, these laws aim to stabilize insurance costs for businesses and consumers and ensure that foreign entities will not be able to take advantage of consumers and legal proceedings. Now, opponents of the new laws argued it will make it more difficult for those who are victims of negligence and crime victims to get justice. But the governor said lawmakers have spent the past 2 years researching the issue, hearing from lawmakers, business owners, consumers, and other stakeholders as they crafted this legislation.
To hear from industries across the spectrum that were facing unsustainable hits to their bottom lines from out-of-control premiums thanks to ever-increasing lawsuit cost. Child care facilities, truckers, restaurant owners, doctors, hospitals, grocery store owners, gas station companies, you name it. The calls for change came from every sector of Georgia's economy. The status quo was simply unacceptable. The comprehensive, common sense measures we proposed just a few months ago were a direct result of these conversations and ensured our legal environment put Georgia on equal footing with neighboring states who compete with us for jobs and investment.
And Republican lawmakers calling this afternoon the most comprehensive tort reform package passed in the past 2 decades. At the state capitol, Deidre Dukes, Fox 5 News.
Deidre, thanks. When loved